From America's #1 air fryer brand, Gourmia, comes a revolutionary innovation, FoodStation, the incredible 6-in-1 countertop wonder, air fry, grill, griddle, and more. First, it's a massive capacity air fryer. You get perfect air frying for your crispy favorites. This huge 6-quart fryer uses Gourmia's breakthrough FryForce 360 technology, creating superheated air that surrounds the food. You'll love Gourmia's one-of-a-kind see-through lid. Watch as your fried favorites are crisp on the outside, moist and tender on the inside. There's way more to FoodStation. Just drop in the solid cast metal grate to grill indoors. The perfect sear. Get that outdoor grill flavor indoors with bottom heated grilling and temperatures up to 510 degrees. All the sizzle and flavor without the smoke, with the built-in smoke extractor. But there's still way more to FoodStation. Slip in the Pro Griddle insert and the variety is endless. Incredible grilled breakfast, delicious. And go even further, make mouth-watering cheesy quesadillas or even smash burgers for dinner. All with this one unique countertop marvel. And now, the Gourmia FoodStation gives you an integrated temperature probe. Eliminate guesswork and bring food to your desired doneness. With the clever integrated temp probe, you get perfect results every time. Cooking with FoodStation is life-changing. Bake favorites and watch them cook. Great for muffins and more. Plus, FoodStation roasts and even dehydrates. The one-touch intuitive design makes your choices effortless. It's your 6-in-1 countertop cooking wonder. Air fry, grill, griddle, bake, roast, and dehydrate. Cook confidently with the all-new integrated temperature probe. Always perfect meals. Get the advanced Gourmia FoodStation right away. Its unique 6-in-1 features make cooking anything faster, easier, healthier, and delicious. You'll also get this recipe book of exciting dishes.
Goodbye to all the other appliances. Hello, FoodStation.
The Gourmia FoodStation. It's how delicious gets done.